What was your favourite youth work memory?
My favourite youth work memory is being involved in youth exchanges. So I was really lucky as a young person to go to Lithuania, Germany, and I remember my youth worker Larry bringing me up and saying, "Do you want to go abroad for free?" And I thought it was a big joke, to be honest. But yeah, I was able to go to Lithuania, meet some amazing people, learn from the different cultures, being in different places. That's a massive highlight. And since then, I've been able to lead on an international youth exchange where young people from the States have come to Cardiff, and also a group of young people from Cardiff have gone up to the States, and they have all changed as young people dramatically. I want to continue to provide those life-changing experiences to young people.
I'd probably say at the moment, summer camp last year when we were all dancing around in the little silent disco tent to Sailor's Way. Gorgeous story arms and the young people like encouraging me to like jump in the water, get involved and stuff, and it just made me really confident and really happy about it.
Beth yw hoff atgof ti o gwaith Ieuenctid?
Hoff atgof, sy'n ni'n gweud yw cyfnewid, gwaith Ieuenctid cyfnewid tramor. Fi wedi bod yn lwcus iawn i gallu fynd yn fy swydd i gwledydd fel Lithuania, yr Almaen, mas i'r Norwy, cyfleoedd hollol unigryw sy'n mynd i fod yn atgof am sbel iawn.
Hoff cwrs Gwaith Ieuenctid fi yw... So ni felly, un o'r pethau cyntaf nes i dod yn ymuno efo Tafoel, a ddim rili hwyl gweld faint o pobl ifanc moyn gweithio gyda ni, a o'n i'n chwarae rygbi, touch rygbi fi a Gwaith Ieuenctid yn erbyn fel crowd mawr o bobl ifanc. A wedyn gweld nhw yn yr ysgol ar ôl, a gweld bod nhw'n nabod fi, a gweld bod nhw'n moyn gweithio gyda fi ar ôl hwnna, a fi'n rili teimlo, achos o'n i'n gweithio yn ysgolion cyn, ti'n rili teimlo'r gwahaniaeth pan mae rhywun moyn gweithio gyda ti versus, dyma Mr Evans eto. Ond ie, mae'n neis gweld bod y pobl ifanc yn gweld sut sy'n gallu helpu nhw. Ond ie.
Hoff atgof fi o gwaith Ieuenctid yw mewn taith i Llundain i gweld sioe ffasiwn gyda clwb ffasiwn, a wedyn uno ni i Covent Garden i siopa ar ôl ni a byta bwyd really blasus.
God, youth work memory. I think probably coming into this role, one of my very first caseload, I took a young lad who was expecting a baby, 18, and just lost his job, didn't have a job and was panicking how he was going to provide, and was able to organise him to start an apprenticeship with a double glazing window firm. So within a month of me meeting him, he was already sort of on an apprenticeship and his life was back on track really, and that was just amazing.
Beth yw hoff atgof chi o clwb Ieuenctid?
Wel ni gyda PS5, VR, ystafell cyfrifiaduron, pool, darts. Hoff un fi yw ystafell cyfrifiaduron, herwydd hwyl, a ni gallu chwarae gemau. A Fortnite. Yeah.
Wel, un gwaith, pryd oedd ni gyd wedi joinio clodorau. Ond mi gyd yn chwarae fel hide and seek. Ond mi wedi mynd i'r tŷ bach. Fi'n gwybod fel pink. Ie, a fi'n wedi mynd i'r tŷ bach. So, o fi fel rhaid yn spot fi fel 85 munud yn mynd o blew mi wan. A wedyn nes i fel coedio a gweld ni yn y tŷ bach. Wel, beth ti'n gael ei wneud fyna? Ond ie, and then really on we just yn grab in the new.
What's your favourite memory, George, in the club?
All my friends.
Seeing all your friends?
Meeting new coaches. I guess every single one got different personalities, and along the way you just, I don't know, just meeting people.
Probably picket pods when we went like camping, very nice. It was really fun with mates and stuff like that.
Yeah, same when we went on the slip and slide and coming here, cooking, yeah.
Would you like to do more projects like picket pods where there was other youth centres involved?
Yeah, like overnight like trips and stuff.
Yeah, they were really good, yeah.
Favourite memory is probably going to watch the Cardiff game. And my favourite youth workers are Jess, Gemma, Kim and Jim C. as I get along with them more.
It's not really like I wouldn't say like a memory, but like it's something to do with just like you guys being able to help me with my mental health a lot, and just being able to open up to like more people other than my own family. That's really it.
Youth work works.
So you like youth workers?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you going to become a youth worker,
Yeah.
George? Yeah. Brill.